This is what an old copper mine looks like after a number of years.
Som gruvföretag så har vi ett väldigt stort ansvar att när vi har lånat marken att återställa den till vad den en gång var.
Det går inte att starta en gruva idag utan att man ska veta hur man ska efterbehandla den och att pengarna ska finnas. Det här är säkrat via lagstiftning.
It all begins with the discovery of an important mineral deposit. Then the mining begins, maybe as an open pit mine. Regardless whether the mine has been in use for 5 years or 150 years, the land has to be reclaimed, something that is done in parallel with the daily operations. For example, revegetation work in one area of the mine, while ore is being extracted from another area.
Målsättningen är ju med en efterbehandlingsåtgärd att den ska hålla i ett 1000-årsperspektiv.
Primarily, there are 3 different methods we work with to assure an excellent reclamation result. The Kiedträsk mine. This was a water-filled open-pit mine with large amounts of oxidized waste rock. It was decided to first drain the open pit and then fill it with waste rock mixed with several layers of mesa lime, and then cover everything with water again. However, the water was acidic, so the first step was to treat it with lime several times during draining. The water was pumped into sedimentation ponds as a first step in treatment before returning it to nature. After a year, all contaminated material had been moved to the open pit and could be covered with a protective layer of till before allowing nature to fill the area with water. The Kiedträsk mine is on its way to becoming a beautiful lake for waterfowl. This dam was built in the 50s, however our tests showed it didn't meet today's safety requirements for dams. The plan was to perform reclamation work using 2 different methods. In the area with visible tailings a dry cover was made, and in the water-filled area 2 dikes were constructed with a sheet piling. After only 1 year, the difference is clearly visible. During the following winter, work with the sheet pilings in the dikes had come a long way. This was done in order to keep parts of the area soaked with water in the future. During the winter, this area is used for reindeer grazing, so work was planned in cooperation with the local Sami population. Reclamation work for the mine in Näsliden was done during the 90s, but further measures are needed. For example, a more impenetrable sealing layer.
Det här kommer att bli den mest kontrollerade efterbehandlingen som Boliden har gjort.
Probably because Boliden has also invested in a large research project.
Med avseende på alternativa material för att minska våra naturresursanvändning.
Allt forskning vi gör försöker se till att vi gör saker och ting bättre och att vi kan överföra kunskap och information.
This means an exchange of information with experts in other areas of the world.
Det är ett motiverande jobb. Man får göra något som är bra för miljön. Så det är ett belönande jobb.